Imagine a world built with the click of a button. By 2030, 3D printing will be everywhere. We will use it to build our homes and design our cars. We will even print human organs. Get ready for a revolution. The future is closer than you think. This essay will explore the exciting world of 3D printing. We will travel from self-healing polymers to AI-driven design. We'll uncover how this technology will save our environment, and we'll journey to the stars, where 3D printing is building our future in space. The future is full of possibilities. 3D printing is our ticket to that future. Let's explore it together. 3D printing is evolving quickly. One of the most exciting areas is materials science. Imagine a world with self-healing polymers. Your phone cracks? No problem, it repairs itself overnight. We're also seeing biodegradable 3D printed products. These products simply disappear after use, leaving no trace. This is a game changer for the environment. Smart materials are another breakthrough. Imagine clothing that adjusts to the weather, or bridges that monitor their own structural integrity. The possibilities are limitless. These revolutionary materials will change our world. They will make our products last longer. They will also help us protect our planet.
Artificial intelligence is the brain behind the 3D printing revolution. AI allows for something called generative design. It's like having 1,000 engineers in your computer. Just input your needs. The AI will generate thousands of designs, optimizing for strength, weight, and even cost. AI can also correct errors in real time. This means fewer wasted materials and faster production. AI is also personalizing 3D printing. Imagine printing custom-fit shoes or prosthetic limbs from your home. AI is not just improving the process, it's revolutionizing it. 3D printing is becoming smarter, faster, and more accessible to everyone.
Section 4. A greener tomorrow. You see, 3D printing offers a solution to our environmental crisis. It allows for localized manufacturing, meaning we can produce goods closer to consumers. Less transportation means less pollution. Plus, 3D printing also minimizes waste. Traditional manufacturing wastes a lot of material, but 3D printing only uses what is needed. This reduces our need for landfills. We can even recycle old products into new ones using 3D printing. Imagine a world where plastic is constantly reused and repurposed. This is the promise of a circular economy. 3D printing is not just a technology, it's a path to a more sustainable future. It's time to embrace this technology and build a greener tomorrow.
Section 5. 3D printing beyond Earth. 3D printing is not limited to Earth. It's our key to exploring the cosmos. In space, resources are scarce. Astronauts can't just order supplies from Amazon. 3D printing allows them to create what they need when they need it. This includes tools, replacement parts, and even habitats. Imagine 3D printing a base on Mars using Martian soil. In healthcare, 3D printing is already making waves. We can now print prosthetics, medical models, and even human tissue. The future holds the possibility of printing fully functional organs. This would eliminate the need for organ donors and save countless lives. 3D printing is not science fiction. It's saving lives and pushing the boundaries of human exploration.
Section 6. 3D printing and you. The future of 3D printing is bursting with potential. From self-healing materials to AI-driven design, this technology is changing the world. It offers a path to a more sustainable and healthy future, both on Earth and beyond. But the future is not predetermined. It's shaped by the choices we make today. So I urge you to stay informed, get involved, and be part of the 3D printing revolution. The future is in your hands. And now, it's quiz time. Let's see how much you remember. Which of these futuristic applications of 3D printing is expected to become a reality by 2030? A. Printing entire homes on Mars using local materials. B. Printing smartphones that repair themselves. C. Printing everyday groceries like fruits and vegetables. D. Printing time machines for time travel. Think you know the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. And before you go, here's a sneak peek at our next video. From sci-fi to reality, the epic evolution of 3D printing technology. In it, we'll explore how 3D printing evolved from a niche technology to a world-changing innovation. See you in the next video.